What's up guys, we're going to be looking at a classic today. We're going to look at Use Somebody by Kings of Leon. You don't need a capo, which is great. For most of the song we have a few chords. We have C, C with E in the bass, F sus, and we also have A minor 7. Okay, so let me show you the chords first and then we can break down the whole song. Alright, so first chord is C. Okay, we have third finger, third fret on the A string, middle finger, second fret, D string, open G, first finger, first fret, B string, open E. Okay. Our second chord. Okay, so for this C chord, first of all, I want you to try and not play the E string. Okay, so I lift my third finger up a bit so it touches the E string, and then it can't ring. You hear that? Instead of, it's off, right? Or you can do what I do, which is bring the thumb down enough that you mute the string. Okay, that's the first chord. C, you don't want to play the E string. The second chord, you do want the E string, so you can pull it back down, take the thumb off, have that low E string. Okay, so first of all, no E string, then E string, okay? Then we have F sus. So for F sus, very similar, okay, only there's a few fingers that change, alright? So start from scratch anyway, third finger, third fret on the A string again. Then fourth finger, third fret on the D string, okay? We have open G, first finger, first fret again on the B string. If you can, try and get open E, but don't worry, if you can't play the E string, don't worry. Then try and bring you might have to readjust the grip, but try and bring your thumb over just on this first fret here. Okay, so when I do this, watch, I bring my elbow up a bit, bring my whole wrist up a bit, just to get that thumb over, okay, just as much as you need to, and I really kind of squeeze my wrist forward, okay, that way, as I do it, just a little bit, okay. There's your F sus. So C with E in the bass, F sus, alright. And then to the last chord is A minor 7. Okay. So this is exactly the same as C major, but take the third finger off, so we have A in the bass. There's your A minor 7. Alright. So the beginning of the song we have a quick kind of chorus. So it's nice and easy. I just want you to strum really loudly, and you're just going to go down, 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 all down strokes. Okay, like so. Okay, so you do C, E in the bass, F sus. Now look at my right hand. I kind of play this in threes, groups of 3. Alright, so I go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, so you do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. There's only a 2 at the end. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. All down strokes, right? Because then you're playing when you sing. Okay, you do it twice, just strum the F once at the end there. And then we get into the verse. Off in the night, while you live it up, I'm off to sleep. Countless lovers undercover of the streets. You know that I could use somebody. Okay, so it's a similar rhythm. It's still all downs, still in threes, but this time I want you to put your palm here, like that. Then it's soft. You hear that? Okay, so if you put your hand there, you're going to soften the strings. So the first part of the verse, we're going, I've been roaming around, always looking down, and all I see, painted faces, fill the places I can reach. Then A minor, you know that I could use somebody to C, F, and again, you know that I could use somebody. Okay, then we do the whole thing again. We have two verses. Someone like you, and all you know, and how you speak. Countless lovers undercover of the streets. You know that I could use somebody. Now build it up, you know that I could use somebody. Someone like you. Someone like you. Okay, does that make sense? So we have verse, which is palm mute, and then we have the chorus, which is loud. Right, so this song's straightforward. It's nice and simple, okay? So we have another verse, and then we have another chorus, all right? Now, after the second chorus, we have a bridge, okay? So for the bridge, we're gonna go, so this is straight out of the last chorus. Then we go to the bridge. Okay, then we have this guitar solo as well. So let me show you how to play this bridge. We have D, we have F sharp minor, and then B. Okay, so D, we have open A, open D, first finger second fret on the G string, third finger third fret, B string, middle finger second fret on the E string. Okay, so same rhythm. Then we have an F sharp minor. Okay, so for this chord, you want to have third finger, fourth fret on the A string, fourth finger, fourth fret on the D string, and then try and bar this first finger. Get the second fret on the G string, B string, and E string. You hear that? If you can even add the thumb to the second fret on the E string, but that doesn't matter so much. You don't need that, okay? It still sounds fine. Thumb sounds slightly better, okay? So, so this chord is B major, okay, but we're just gonna do a little power chord, that's fine. So first finger, second fret on the A string, third finger, fourth fret on the D string, fourth finger, fourth fret on the G string. Okay, so I just hit that once. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the guitar solo has this sort of. So we're going to try and play that in the chord. Okay, which is quite difficult. So we're going to have C, and then we add the fourth finger to the third fret. So you do 4 with it off. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 with it on, right? Bum, 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 bum. So 4 off. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on. And then try and play from the E string down to the B string. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I get this is tricky. Okay, so really take your time with this bit. You don't have to play this solo. If you want, just play the chords. Okay, just play the chords. You don't have to do this. It's just for those of you that want to. Okay, this is the last part we have to learn for the whole song. The rest is just chorus, right? So again, I'm not going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we have to play C with this bar at the bottom. So this is flat. I have to flatten this first finger. So I've got first fret on both B string and E string, which is hard. So it's C sus, becomes C sus. Again from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So you take it off just one stroke before the F. F. Okay, constant down, remember. And for this F, okay, still keeping that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, wherever you can. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have A minor to begin with. Exactly the same thing, but A minor. Okay, now we do this 5 times, right? We have 2 where we start on C. Okay, we do 2 like that. And then, strangely, we have 3 in a row where we start on A minor. Okay, but on the third one, we're going to play just play F1. So. Okay, and then to finish the whole song, we have another verse. I've been roaming around, always looking down at all I see. Or just half a verse, I should say.